For India, remember, India has a civilizational heritage and scriptures. And now, it appears, and I can confirm to you, that UNESCO has come forward to recognize that literature and the heritage and culture of India. We are told that Ramcharitramanas has got UNESCO recognition. Panchatantra, specifically now, that is being passed on to one generation after generation in its varied forms, specifically when it comes to storytelling to live life with high morals, has also made a mark at the world stage. It's a global impact of the text that India has had as an ancient historic civilization, and to be able to maintain it centuries after centuries. This is a mark on the world stage, and I am now confirming from the official statement that's come in. Bharat making a mark on the world in literary masterpieces like Ramcharitramanas, Panchatantra and others as well have entered into UNESCO's Memory of the World Asia Pacific Regional Register, underscores the profound global impact of rich literary heritage. It is also the importance of safeguarding diverse narratives and artistic expressions that shape humanity. So there are several more literary texts that have been mentioned. But remember that texts that have been written centuries ago and that are so valuable and significant and stand as important even today in 2024. That's one of the reasons that UNESCO has taken a cognizance of this. This is the Memory of the World Asia Pacific Regional Register that has underscored the significance of this. India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal is joining me. Aishwarya, it's heartening to know, because whether it's Ramcharitramanas, that is as much a religious, spiritual text as much it is about the epic that it is, but also Panchatantra and other texts as well. What are you hearing of it, and where has the official confirmation come from?
Pointed out where most of the kids, and we all have grown up reading the Panchatantra, and this is something which is very, very heartening. We are seeing how over the past months, the Indian culture has been brought to the fore, be it yoga, which now is celebrated as an International Yoga Day. We are now seeing that all these three literary works are now being have entered UNESCO's memory lane of World Asia Pacific religion. So definitely we are seeing how India is now finding its culture on the global platform. We are now expecting an official release very soon, in about a day or two, Pooja.
Right, so Memory of the World Asia Pacific Regional Register, UNESCO has registered the Panchatantra, the Ramcharitramanas, there's the Saryodalokalochana as well, and several more. And we'll continue to get you the latest on that, and a reminder of how these texts are as significant even in the modern times.